Lake Como is the third largest lake in Italy. It's located in the Lombardy region, surrounded by picturesque towns. The lake is shaped like an inverted Y. George Clooney owns a villa on Lake Como. Lake Como is known for its stunning villas and gardens. The historic town of Bellagio is often referred to as the Pearl of Lake Como. The lake's depth reaches around 1,845 feet, 410 meters. Lake Como has been a popular retreat since Roman times. The lake has a microclimate contributing to its lush vegetation. Villa del Balbianello, featured in James Bond's Casino Royale, is situated on the lake's western shore. Ferries and boats are common modes of transportation around the lake. Lake Como is surrounded by the Alps, enhancing its scenic beauty. The iconic Nesso Bridge, a medieval bridge, crosses a waterfall on the lake. The lake's shoreline stretches over 160 kilometers. Como, the largest town on the lake, is renowned for its silk production. Lake Como was formed by glacial activity during the last ice age. The lake hosts various water sports, including sailing and windsurfing. The annual Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este showcases classic cars on the lakefront. The village of Varenna boasts charming narrow streets and colorful houses. Lake Como inspired poets like Percy Bysshe Shelley and Mary Shelley. The Basilica of Sant'Abbondio in Como is a notable Romanesque church. The town of Menaggio offers panoramic views of the lake and surrounding mountains. Isola Comacina is the only island on Lake Como, featuring archaeological sites. Lake Como's waters are renowned for their clarity. The lake's primary influent is the River Adda. Como is a gateway to the Swiss border, providing easy access to Switzerland. Lake Como has been a popular filming location for movies and TV shows. The annual Como Film Festival celebrates cinema in the region. The area around Lake Como is known for producing delicious olive oil. The lake has been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and musicians throughout history.